Bonjour, bienvenue. Good morning and welcome to French with Gloria. Today I'm going to be talking about presenting yourself in French. So, présenter. Presenting oneself. How do you present yourself in French? Are you talking about your name, your age, where you are from, nationality, and professions? Now, talk about name in French. Someone asks you, you can talk about your name in French. You can say, Je m'appelle, je m'appelle. You put your name. Je m'appelle, you put your name. Je m'appelle, put your name. For example, je m'appelle Gloria. Je m'appelle Gloria. I am called Gloria. You can also say, moi c'est Gloria. I'm Gloria. You can also say, mon nom est, my name is, mon nom, sorry, mon nom est Gloria. My name is Gloria. So you can use any of these three to tell your name in French. You can either say Je m'appelle Gloria, or you say Moi c'est Gloria, or you say Mon nom est Gloria. Can you please try the first one for me? Je m'appelle, add your name. Beautiful. Moi c'est, add your name. Good. Mon nom est, put your name. Très bien. Now, let's go to number 2, where you live. Now, to talk about where you live in French, use the verb j'habite. J'habite à, you put the place. J'habite à, you put the place. For example, j'habite à Lagos. I live in Lagos. J'habite à Paris. I live in Paris. J'habite à Lagos. I live in Lagos. Or you can say j'habite à Paris. I live in Paris. Can you please try this? J'habite à, put the name of where you live. Good. J'habite à. Très bien. Now, move to the other one to talk about age. Now, to talk about age in French, use the verb. You say j'ai, put your age. J'ai, put your age. For example, j'ai 10 ans. J'ai 10 ans. I am 10 years old. J'ai 10 ans. In the previous class, we were taught 1 to 10. You can use that to take numbers from there. J'ai 10 ans. You can also say j'ai 30 ans. If you are 30, j'ai 30 ans. Can you please write that? J'ai, your age. Beautiful. Super. Now, let's move over to the next one. Where you are from. Talk about where you are from. You say je viens d'où. Je viens d'où. You put the state, please. Je viens d'où. For example, je viens d'où. Benin. I am from Benin. Je viens d'où Calabar. I am from Calabar. Je viens d'où Lagos. I am from Lagos. Mind you, you can be living in Lagos and you are from Calabar. Or you can be living in Ori and you are from Port Harcourt. So to talk about where you are from, you use what? Je viens d'où. Can you please try this for me? Je viens d'où. It's your place. Super. Je viens de Anambra, je viens de Enugu, je viens de Asaba, je viens de Upolo, je viens de Londres, je viens de Paris. I am from Paris, I am from Enugu, I am from Lagos, I am from Anambra, and so on. Now, move over to your profession. Profession. Sorry, let's use this. Profession. To talk about profession in French, you use the verb, you say je suis. You put your profession. Je suis, profession, sorry. For example, you say, je suis professeur. Professeur, professeur. Je suis docteur, je suis docteur. Je suis étudiant, je suis étudiante. For a female, for a male is étudiant. Then for a female, you say étudiante, you add E. You add E. For a female, say je suis étudiante. It means I am a student. I am a student. This for female, this for male. Male, étudiant, female, étudiante. Good. Look at it. Je suis professeur, I'm a lecturer, teacher. Je suis docteur, I'm a doctor. Je suis étudiant, I'm a student for a male. Je suis étudiante, I'm a student for a female. Can you please try this out? Je suis, you put your profession. Beautiful. I'm going to do a class on various professions which you can pick from them to talk about your profession. And the last on the list, number 6, we have nationality. Where you are from. I'm a Nigerian, I'm from Nigeria, I'm from London, I'm from US, America. We use the verb, you say, je suis Nigeria. I'm Nigerian. So I'm not talking about myself, I'm from Nigeria. You see, je suis Nigeria, I am from Nigeria. For a male, you use je suis Nigeria. For a female, you use je suis Nigériane. Je suis Nigerian with additional E at the end of it. You are from Latin America, you say, je suis, with the time you je suis Nigerian, je suis Togolaise, je suis Ghanaian, je suis Nigeria. Je suis is for what? It's not about, it means I am. Because je suis Nigerian means I am from what? Nigeria. Now, a recap. The first one is je m'appelle, your name. You. J'habite à, put where you're from. You. J'ai, you put your age. Good. Je viens d'où, you put the place. Super. Je suis, put your profession. Good. Then, je suis Nigerian, put your nationality. Super. Now, I hope I'll be able to, with this 6 sentences, you can present your name, where you live, your age, where you are from, nationality, and your profession in French language. Please, if you find this useful, don't forget to, we'll start it, if you find it, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a nice day. Merci, bonne journée, au revoir, merci.